How to fix live wallpaper not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix live wallpaper not working on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that we'll take is head over to our settings. After we are on our settings, scroll down and there you should find the wallpaper option. Head over there and then choose on add new wallpaper. Now choose on photos. After you choose the photos option, you should be able to see all of your photos, including your live photos. You can head over to the live photos section as well. Now tap on one picture. Now there you can see this is a live picture. What you'll need to do is you'll need to turn this icon on. Make sure that it is not on off. Make sure that you've turned on live photo. Now what happens is that when your iPhone or when your live picture is not on a good screen, that is, if you do have a live photo and the object that's moving is not in your frame, or if it does not fit in your frame, if it's too big or it does not actually move too much, it does not get recognized as a live wallpaper. So that can be a reason why your live wallpaper is not working. So make sure whenever you're using a live wallpaper for a wallpaper, what you'll need to do is make sure that it fits on the frame. It looks good on the frame. Make sure it's a bit far, then it's not near, so that it does not cloud the entire screen. And if you do that, your live wallpaper should work just fine. Now tap on add to add this wallpaper and you're basically good to go. Tap on set as wallpaper pair, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you can fix your live wallpaper not working on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.